let's go get this job done. All right, I'm coming.
Okay, ready?
Hey, would you get the wiper blades, please? This is, by the way, this is my dad. He just got these wiper blades in from Amazon. He's organized, he already put them away. But I need to shoot this video, so here we go. There they are. Okay, now what are we gonna do with those?
Test them?
Yeah, you gotta test them out.
Okay, I don't know what he's doing here, but we'll see. Oh, damn, it is raining. Okay. How do they work? Really good. Okay, glasses are clean. All right, let's get them installed. Thanks, man.
So today we're going with the RainX Latitudes. This particular car takes 26 and 16, all right? I've used these many times, and the type of connection that we have in this car, this is the instructions, is the J-hook. So there are other types. If you have the other type, check out my other video. I have that, which goes on most German cars, but this is the most common for your domestics and some of your imports. So we're gonna take these now, and you just wad these up like this, all right? And you toss them. So this is the wiper blade, just take it out. This yellow thing is a protective cover. We're gonna leave that on until we get them installed, and then we're gonna slide those off. These are the easiest type to replace. You have this little notch here. What we're gonna do is stick a screwdriver down in there, and we're gonna just peel that back, then we're ready for the install. Very easy. In my other video with the German car, I have a Volkswagen Passat, you have to disassemble this whole thing and make it work for those types of connections. Today is gonna be easy for you guys. All right, so grab yourself a screwdriver. Notice you have this notch here. It's really hard to do it with your finger, so you just wanna put a screwdriver in here and just kind of flip it out like that. And it swings out like that. It's just like a little door. So now we're ready to take them and go do the installation. Same thing, of course, this is the longer one. This is the longer one. Just take your screwdriver and just peel that door back. I had already opened it, but just peel that back. It's just a little door. All right, it's just a much longer one. Most of your cars are going to come with two different sizes. It's rare that you find a car that has the same size. They're out there, but just look it up online. You can look at RainX, you can look on Amazon, you can look wherever you want. I get my RainX blades from Amazon because I found that they have the lowest price. I always buy them there. At the auto parts store, I find that they're marked up. They're way too expensive. So I just go to Amazon and grab them. I will put a link in the description for the blades. But again, just punch in your numbers for your car, your make and model, and you'll get the wiper blades that will fit your car. But this is for a 2020 Hyundai Santa Fe, specifically a 26-inch and a 16-inch. Yeah, it's kind of a weird combo, but let's get these things installed now. Okay, here are the windshield wipers before we put them in service mode. To show you again, you lift them up and they hit the paint right there. That's not what you're looking for at all. If you see a video that doesn't show you putting them in service mode, turn it off and come to this one. No, I'm kidding. But anyway, get them in service mode. And what that is that we're gonna take the wipers and we're gonna put them up to where you can get to them. It's much easier to access. Most cars have a service mode for ease of installation and to save your paint. And also, when you take these blades off, you're gonna set them on the glass. And a lot of times people scratch the glass or crack the glass. So we're gonna eliminate all that today. We're gonna make it easy, put it in service mode, get the installation done for you. First thing you wanna do is you wanna start the vehicle, completely start it. It doesn't matter if you have key start or push button, just do that. Okay, now you can turn the ignition off. Now you have 20 seconds to flip up the switch one time. Boom, the windshield wipers go up and they stay in the service position here. These are spring loaded. You wanna bring these back like that, both of them. So you wanna bring your wiper blade, you gotta put some pressure on it, bring it up like that. Here's your little clip. You have a little button right here. Just push on that. It's not hard to do. And then pull this down, this plastic piece, pull it down, and you're done. It's out. That's how easy that is. Just this little plastic piece in there. This is the part that people struggle with the most, is taking them off and putting them on. Because they are weird looking. It's just a weird way to put things on, I guess. But it's been like that for years. I'm used to it. Again, this is the smaller blade. You just want to lift it up like this. the little button here. Push that. Pull down and out. That's it. Now these are your J hooks here. Those are the most common type of wiper blade arm. So we're set up to put the new ones on. We don't have to do any sort of disassembly to the wiper blade. Unlike the other ones that I explained earlier, there's quite a bit of disassembly you have to do. If you have the other type of wiper arm, then check out that video. I'll show you how to do that. It's a flat type, and you just have to manipulate the wiper blades a little bit for installation. Okay, now we're gonna put these on. So remember, you have your little door here. So you're gonna open the door. This hole here is what this hook will go in. So you just line it up like that and slide it up the hook, and you're gonna put some pressure on it until it snaps in place, just like that. It snaps, you'll feel it. It locks it in place. And you take this door here and close it. Installed. Now, this is your protective cover. You just want to slide this bad boy off. And this has another use. It's called the trash. All right, let's get the other one done. All right, now we have this little baby 16-inch. And thank goodness for service mode, because if it weren't in service mode, I'd have to get way over there and do all this stuff, but I can do everything from this one little spot right here. You know, I guess you learn the hard way, but that's why I'm here. Make sure your little door's open here. Get the hook lined up, just like that. Slide it up, like that, all the way, and then just put some pressure, and it snaps in. Did you hear that snap? It snaps in. Get your little door. There you go. Snap that in place. Remember what this is. It's your, don't forget to take that off. I don't think they'll work too well if you leave it on. And this one does have a particular use. It goes in the other trash can. All right. Now that the blades are on, you want to just check them, make sure they're tight, make sure they're secure. You don't want them flying off the car. These seem to be very secure. So they're back down. Make sure they're back down. They look really nice, I'll tell you that. That's what they look like. I'm telling you what, these wiper blades, for the money, are the way to go. I mean, you're gonna spend like 50 or even more dollars on stupid wiper blades. I got these around 30 something, I think, and they're very, very good blades. So like I said, I'll put the link in the description. Just click on that after the video. It'll take you right to Amazon. Find the size that you need, and you'll be able to get these. These are the RainX Latitudes. So let's get this car out of service mode and back in the resting position. I'll read your owner's manual if you have any other questions. And if you don't believe me that this is how you install these, check out your owner's manual. But I promise you, this is how you do it. All right, let's get it back in resting position. All right, so you hop in the car, got your key in the ignition, or if you have a push button start like this one, you wanna go ahead and start the car up. And notice the windshield wiper blades here. Control, one time, boom. They go back into the resting position. Turn your car off, and you should be good to go.
Just for grins, I know it's just windshield wipers, guys. It's not that exciting, but we're gonna pull out. It just happens to be raining a little bit today.
We're gonna pull out. This is my dad in the car here. I'm out of town. I'm on vacation, actually, and I'm doing some maintenance on their vehicles. So I thought I'd document it here on my channel since it's all about cars.
So here we go. Oh, wouldn't you know, we get outside, it doesn't rain as much. We're gonna give them a whirl though. There they go. Let's see. Looks pretty dang good to me. I don't know. What do you guys think? Nice and smooth. I'm happy with it. I think that'll make the car go about 10 miles an hour faster because of the aerodynamics. Yeah, I think so.
Thanks for watching. Leave some comments below, and most of all, don't forget to subscribe. It really supports the channel. I appreciate it. Things are growing pretty well around here. We're doing a lot of good car stuff. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time. Have a good one.